Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover Class 11th Chemistry, Unit 5, States of Matter, Part 3. Let's start. Our today's topic is the gas law. First, Boyle's law. It shows pressure and volume relationship. At constant temperature, the pressure is fixed amount of gas varies inversely with the volume, which means pressure is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature and fixed amount of gas. It can also be written as P is equal to K by V, where K is proportionally constant and the value of constant K depends upon the amount of gas, temperature of gas and units in which pressure and volume are expressed. So PV is equal to K. If the fixed amount of gas at constant temperature T occupies volume at pressure V1 undergoes expansion, so volume become V2 and pressure become P2, then P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 is equal to constant. Here is the graph shown. Let's see. A. Higher curves corresponds to higher temperature. The volume of gas doubles if pressure is halved and vice versa. The value of K of each curve is different because for given mass of gas it varies only with temperature. Let's see what is isotherm. Each curve of graph corresponds to a different constant temperature and is also called isotherm. So the graph which shows pressure versus volume is called hyperbola. Let's see the next one. B. The graph between P and 1 by V is a straight line passing through origin. However, at high pressures, the gases derivate from Boyle's law and undergo under such conditions, a straight line is not obtained in the graph. See, since pressure volume is constant, therefore there is no impact of varying pressure and volume. D. Here log K is y-intercept. Here are some questions related to this topic. You can see it may be helpful for your exams. Now next law, which is Charles law. It shows temperature and volume relationship. For fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, the volume of gas increases on increasing temperature and decreases on cooling. So in short, अगर temperature increase होता है तो volume भी increase होता है. It can be written as V is directly proportional to T. Also V is equal to KT. Here we get V by T is equal to constant. Under two different conditions, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So we got V1 T2 is equal to V2 T1. At absolute zero temperature, Ck or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius translation motion, the motion of point ceases. So you can see the graph here. First graph, in temperature at Kelvin, at 0 Kelvin the volume is 0. In temperature at Celsius at minus 273.15 degrees Celsius the volume is 0, not at 0 degrees Celsius. Note, each degree rise in temperature volume of gas increases by 1 by 273.15 the of the original volume of the gas at 0 degree Celsius. Volume of gas at 0 degree Celsius is equal to V. Temperature increases by 1 degree Celsius, then V volume increases by V naught by 273 degrees Celsius. So you can see the graph showing the relationship between volume and temperature. Each line of volume temperature graph is called isobar. Here's a question. Next is Gay-Lussac's law. It shows the relationship between pressure and temperature. At constant volume, pressure of a fixed amount of a gas is directly proportional to the temperature. It can be written as P is directly proportional to temperature, V is equal to constant, so P is equal to KT. K is the constant here. Therefore, P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. Next is question related to Gay-Lussac law. You can see here. Let's see what is isochore. Each line of the PT graph is called isochore. Next question. Next law is Avogadro's law. It shows the relationship between volume and number of moles. It states that equal volumes of all gases under the same condition of temperature and pressure contains equal number of molecules. Simply, as long as the temperature and pressure of gas remains constant, the volume depends upon the number of molecules of gas or amount of gas. That is, V is directly proportional to N. So volume is equal to K and N, which is number of moles. Note, STP denotes temperature of 0 degree Celsius or 273.15 Kelvin, pressure of 1 atm, 1 mole of any gas or combination of gases occupy 22.413996 liter of volume at STP, and SATP or NTP standard ambient temperature and pressure means 298.15 Kelvin and 1 bar, which is 10 to the power 5 Pascal. At STP, the molar volume of ideal gas is 24.789 liter mole per mole, which is N is equal to M by M. V is equal to Kn is equal to Km by M. Hence, at last we get M is equal to KD. D is the density. So, here's a question related to this Gay-Lussac law. You can see and understand. Next part of this lecture will be covered. So stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Thank you.